Definition: the APA format is a widely used style guide for writing academic papers, particularly in the social science, education, and psychology. It provides guidelines for paper structure and text, citation, and references to ensure clarity, consistency, and proper attribution of sources. Here are some examples of paper structure. First, title. Centered, bold, and in the title case, place it about 3 to 4 lines down from the top. Second, author's name below the title. Third, affiliation below the author's name. Fourth, course name and number below the affiliation. Fifth, instructor name below the course name. And lastly, assignment due date.
Comprehensive Guide to APA in-text citation formats and example. We have the first one work by one author. So typically it is separated into two, the narrative citation and the parenthetical citation. So the first one being the narrative citation, we have the example, we 2016 investigated the risks inherent in drinking tap water. So under here, the author's name appears as part of the sentence for the narrative, followed by the publication year in parentheses. And we have the parenthetical citation. Example, there are risks inherent in drinking tap water. May 2016. The author's name and the year are placed in parentheses at the end of the sentence. We have one work by two authors. So under here, the narrative citation, Lee and Richards 2016 investigated the risks inherent in drinking tap water. So as you can observe, both authors' names are included in the sentence and joined by quote-unquote and with a year in parentheses. And we have the parenthetical citation. Both names are included in parentheses, joined by an ampersand. We have one work by 3 or more authors. So under the narrative citation, only the first author is named in the sentence, if that goes, and followed by et al. And the year. So this typically happens in our research paper. And parenthetical citation structure is similar to the narrative citation, but placed entirely within parentheses. And we have the groups with well-known abbreviations as authors. With the first narrative citation, the group name is spelled out in the first citation with the abbreviation and year in parentheses. And we have the subsequent narrative citation with only the abbreviation is used after the first citation, simplifying subsequent references. And we have the parenthetical first citation. The full group name is used, followed by the abbreviation in brackets. And we have the subsequent parenthetical citation, with the citation uses only the abbreviation and year. And we have multiple citations for one sentence. So example, there are inherent risks in drinking tap water. Lee and Richards 2016 separated with a semicolon, and North et al. 2017 semicolon again, Zebra 1999. So the explanation for this is that multiple sources are listed alphabetically within the same set of parentheses separated by semicolons. This shows that the statement is supported by multiple references. And we have a special case that there is a work by one author without a date. So under the narrative citation, we just simply put ND, a same parenthetical citation natin, we just put ND. That's it.
To cite a quote in APA style, you need to include the author's last name, the year of publication, and the page number. Use double quotation marks to enclose the quote, and you can include the citations in two ways: the narrative citation and the parenthetical citation. In narrative citation, you need to introduce the author and date in the sentence, then add the page number in parentheses at the end of the quote. For example, this. And in parenthetical citation, you need to include the author, year, and page number in parentheses after the quote and before the period. So, for example, and in regards to page numbers, use a single P for a single page and double P for multiple pages, like this. And if there are no page numbers, use the paragraph number or other identifying information. In regards to multiple authors, use AND for narrative citation and this symbol for parenthetical citations. And for 3 or more authors, use it al after the first author's last name. And use brackets to distinguish words you added from the original text. And in regards to capitalizations, capitalize proper nouns, including author names and initials. You can see in the picture I provided, the first arrow is a narrative in-text citation, which has the author's name is in the text of the sentence and the page number is at the end of the sentence. And the second arrow is the parenthetical citation. In parentheses are the last names of the authors, year published, and the page number.
So, what is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is a way of using different words in paraphrasing to present the same ideas. Paraphrasing means to state something written or spoken in different words, especially in a shorter and simpler form to make the meaning clearer. So, let me give you one example to understand what is paraphrase. The sentence here stated that the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So this is the original sentence. The paraphrase sentences are: a speedy brown fox leaps over a sluggish dog. A sluggish means lazy also. It is the synonym word of lazy. Second, a swift brown fox bounds over a lazy dog. Bounce means jump. It is the synonym of jump. Third and last one, the dog, being lazy, was jumped over by a quick brown fox. So why is it important to paraphrase, or what is the benefits of paraphrasing? The benefits of this is to avoid plagiarism. Second is enhance our vocabulary. Third is we can communicate clearly. And last is improve our writing skills.
Summarizing involves condensing the main ideas of a source into a shorter form. In your paper, summarizing is essential when introducing a source, allowing readers to grasp its argument, main ideas, or plot before presenting your own analysis or response. Smith and Johnson 2023. Study revealed significant difficulties among students in accurately forming citations. The research highlighted common challenges faced in the academic writing process, emphasizing the need for interventions to improve citation skills. It was observed that students face challenges in forming accurate citations. The research delved into the complexities students encountered during the citation process.